So, ladies and gentlemen, recently I got myself a U-boat, an old Rivarossi loco, and it came in this tracks box with a early Rivarossi. Can't really read cursive, forgive me. Incomplete. Well, what it means by that is there's some bits and pieces missing, but the shell comes off and the screws are missing, and that's what it mostly means. Other than that, the shell's actually fairly decent shape. It just needs a bit of a clean and a bit of a repaint. I might paint this a different colour because I hate it just looking all black. The idea is I'll probably just take off the railing and tag out the old windows and see whether or not I can do some lighting with it or whatnot, maybe DCCify it, who knows, but I wouldn't be too sure because the motor might not be able to handle it. I did test with some of the track I have, which is just there and over there near the window, and yes, it does fit on HO scale track, so the wheels aren't, or the flanges aren't too big that they'll collide with the sleepers or the sides of the clips for said sleepers on the track. So yes, it does fit HO scale, which is very good because sometimes when you buy early Rivarossi stuff, you can get the bigger flanged ones, which would mostly go on trying engines, like that Pullman I have over there, sitting next to the GM, or no, CL, sorry, which is an Athen type. But no, I'm kind of glad that I got it because, yeah, you just never know. But then again, it wouldn't really bother me if it did fit on Triang, mostly because I do have an awful lot of Triang tracks and I can obviously just run them anyway. But no, I'll be testing the motor and I will be getting back to people much later when I've tested it. If it doesn't work, well, it doesn't work, and I'll see whether or not I can find a replacement motor or find another drive system or something like that, or maybe even spare parts. And there's also a few bits and pieces in here, like the lighting piece that goes inside the shell, goes along down here and lights up the back, but the number plates at the back there are actually missing on the shell, as you can see. But that doesn't bother me at all, I can always fix that. Got a spare knuckle coupler, bits and pieces for the knuckle coupling and washer, and the horn's also in there for the top of the loco here. But no, I'll be giving this a nice scrub and some soapy warm water. Not too hot, just warm, lukewarm water. And yeah, get it nice and shiny and whatnot. Other than that, I think it'll be a nice addition to the collection. Yeah, Rivarossi U-boat. Very early Rivarossi U-boat. But it does have the right wheels that I wanted, which is nice. Then again, there's also the question of whether or not it'll actually go over the points correctly as well because of the flanges, but it should. In theory, it should. But then again, never say never. So I'll see you, ladies and gentlemen, later.